home like, what the fuck?
Give me my goal.
You fucking asshole. You fucking asshole.
Give me the goal.
God damn it.
Hit! That's Gabe, that's Gabe. Good shot.
Yeah, thank you.
That's Gabe!
Awesome, you need to turn that light off before you gave me away.
I know.
I didn't know where you were, and then I saw it blinking.
Yeah, I knew it was gonna give me away, but do it! Did you say you'd give me your gold?
Yeah, I was like, just let me go and I'll give you half my goal.
You get the game ball.
Dude, you seriously
That was epic.
Yeah.
You stabbed me and then shot me.
I stabbed you and you go, what the fuck? I'm like, shut up!
After this, I went around the window. I was just waiting. I'm like, is he coming back?
Oh, dude, I went to every different spot.
Did you see my gun barrel? I was gonna go through and I stopped because I was like, there's
And
somebody
you switched to your
here.
pistol.
I switched to my pistol. I'm like, there's
Yeah.
somebody here. I can